How to back up iPhone. There could be various reasons for backing up your iPhone. We'll walk you through the different steps so you can keep your important data safe and available for backup. There are 3 methods of doing this. Method 1. iCloud backup. Using iCloud is a method to generate a backup for your iPhone. Number 1. Ensure that you have a reliable Wi-Fi connection. Number 2. Access the settings on your iPhone. Number 3. Tap on the profile picture. Number 4. Tap on iCloud, then select iCloud Backup. Number 5. Choose Backup Now. Number 6. Your iPhone will start generating a backup, which will be stored in iCloud. Method 2. Mac Backup. Number 1. Connect your iPhone and your computer with a cable. Number 2. In the Finder sidebar on your Mac, select your iPhone. To use the Finder to back up iPhone, Mac OS 10.15 or later is required. With earlier versions of Mac OS, use iTunes to back up your iPhone. Number 3. At the top of the Finder window, click General. Number 4. Select Backup all of the data on your iPhone to this Mac. Number 5. To encrypt your backup data and protect it with a password, select Encrypt Local Backup. Number 6. Click Backup Now. Method 3. Windows PC Backup. Number 1. Connect your iPhone and your computer with a cable. Number 2. In the iTunes app on your PC, click the iPhone button near the top left of the iTunes window. Number 3. Click Summary. Number 4. Click Backup Now, below Backups. Number 5. To encrypt your backups, select Encrypt Local Backup. Type a password, then click Set Password. You can back up your iPhone using any of these 3 methods. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.